Here's a quick tutorial on how to connect Canva to your ChatGPT so that you can design flyers right straight in the ChatGPT chat box and have it open in Canva where you can make additional edits. So when you're in ChatGPT, I always recommend that you optimize your prompt for Canva. So I'm going to use the prompt optimizer. This is a pre-built prompt to create better prompts to paste into other chat windows. So what we want to do is tell ChatGPT what kind of prompt we're going to make. So help me craft a prompt for Canva about, and then whatever your event's going to be. So in this case, let's say something like wine tasting event called Walla Walla Wine Tour on date. So let's choose a date, November 10th, 2025 at 5 p.m. Walla Walla Community College. Specify some criteria. Let's see. Dimensions are 8.5 by 11. Color scheme is gold and black. And I don't like clip art, so let's tell it to use only photorealistic images of wine bottles, wine glasses, grapes, bread and cheese board maybe. What are some other classic, maybe dramatic lighting? I'm going to tell it to use these images as needed and full color. So that's, I think, enough basic criteria. And we'll ask it to ask me questions one at a time to clarify. Okay, so ChatGPT is going to optimize this and write a better prompt. Here it is. So clarifying question number one, elegant and sophisticated, warm and inviting. So let's go with elegant and sophisticated. What text elements? Yes, let's go with that. An evening, fine. Let's see. Tickets available at the main office, sponsored by Port of Walla Walla. So we've answered those questions. So now we've got some design ideas. Which of these should remain visual focus? Wine pouring into a glass, still life composition. I like that. Top and bottom, side panel. Let's try top and bottom. Let's do soft vignette, spotlight. Okay, here we go. There's our optimized prompt for Canva. So what we want to do is copy this code, and now we're going to create a new chat. And the first thing we're going to do is connect this to Canva. And I think you have to have a paid level of ChatGPT to do this. So we're just going to type at Canva. And you see it pops up. Go ahead and click that. And when you go to run this, it will ask you some prompts to connect to your Canva account. Mine's already connected, but you'll get a little pop-up window over this that will ask you to approve Canva and to accept the connection, that sort of thing. There's like 3 prompts that pop up, and then it'll say congratulations or success. You're now authorized to connect. But let's go ahead and paste this in. I always recommend giving this additional prompt modification. It's the role. You are an expert graphic designer specializing in creating, now paste in that code, design a beautiful professional eye-catching flyer from a wine tasting event. So there's all the details. So let's run it. There, you can see it's connecting to the app. Okay, so here is the prompt I was telling you about. So go ahead and click continue. Yes, we want to continue to Canva. And I'm going to go ahead and log in with my Google ID and allow. Authorization successful. It's now connected and it is designing several variations based on the prompt that we entered. It'll take a moment. Okay, and so here are the results. We've got 4 variations. I tend to like this first one more, but the second one, this image is also very good. So if you click on one, we can see it a little bit bigger. I'd probably change the font down here. I'd want a little more detail on this, but I really like how they blend the image into the background. So that's pretty darn good. And it looks good, clean, and professional. And I like this background image. So um, that is how you connect. And if you want, you can click up here, open in Canva, where you can start making some of those design edits right inside Canva.